Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we got some bacon. We got some soft-boiled eggs. We got some sourdough bread. I'll lightly toast that in a second. We're gonna add some Duke's mayo on this. A couple slices tomato. Bunch of slim slices of cucumber. Hey, Mike Foster here. I can't wait to have this fast, simple, and easy breakfast. It's gonna be killer diller. It's got eggs, healthy for you. Bacon, bread, cukes, and tomatoes with some mayo. Fast, simple, and easy, like I said. Let's toast that bread, put this baby together. You hear it? Lightly toasted. Slather on that Duke's mayo, both sides. Put tomatoes on this side. Get your cukes ready on this side. Little salt, little pepper on both sides. A little more mayo for sticky. I'm gonna put the bacon right here. Now we got 2 boiled eggs, and they are soft boiled, so we're gonna smash them. Look at that, yolk is still good. Smash them, oh yeah. Ready for the flipperoo? Hey, might as well just do a sliceroo. Let's reveal it. Oh, it's got a close-up, and then my favorite, a big bite. There it is, there's the close-up, big bite coming up. Alrighty, there it is again. You know what's in it. Should I say it again? We got eggs, we got cucumbers, we got tomatoes. We got cucumbers escaping. We got bacon. We got mayo. I'm getting assaulted all over. The bacon, yes, I can taste you, bacon. The mayo is creamy. Here's a big chunk of egg. A nice yolky, eggy taste with the sweetness of that Duke's mayo and that tomato. Crunchiness of the cukes. And of course that bacon never strays too far. That's a sweet babu. I like it. Sourdough bread holds it all together. I can't stop eating it. Another egg sandwich. Another sandwich by me, the sandwich king, the egg king at Live Life 365. Check out all my socials, subscribe, tell people. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And a bunch of slim. Let's toast that toast. Some pepper on that. Oh, look at this cuke escaped. No one wants to see that. Or this. The sweet babu king. What they eat the talk with his mouth full king. Oh. And the Hawaiian shirt king. Or the bald-headed, egg-headed king. Those are funny ones, huh? And don't forget the last one, the Baba king. Baba.